Yes, sir. We are back Beyond Boss YouTube channel. You know where I show you how to get those gig economy jobs, passive income, most importantly, these driving jobs to help you guys level up out the 9-to-5 rat race. So let's get into it. I got a list of the top 10 medical courier positions you can use to drive your own car. You can get started immediately. Low barrier of entry. Top 10 medical courier gigs out there all over the country. So let's get into it. All right, so we are now inside the laptop. Let's go over these top 10 medical courier companies, starting with Simpex. Now, this company has an actual app that you can download. So it's probably best to come to this website. I'm going to leave a link to every single one of these down below. Link to the description, Simpex, become a delivery driver. You can mainly, they do medical courier prescriptions and blood samples and things of that nature, but they also deliver a lot of other things. Earn up to 23 hours an hour, and that's after fuel is calculated, so that's pretty decent for a side hustle. Flexible income, flexible hours, drive your own vehicle, you got support, and high performance, high income. Been around since 2017, guys. So reputable company, to be 18 years of age, 2 years of driving experience. It's kind of hard to verify. So make sure you make yourself look good on these applications. Transportation vehicle, pass background check, speak English, lift up to 50 pounds. Let's see if we can get some more information on what they want. Basic information, driver license, vehicle picture showing license plate and proof of insurance. So they want to make sure that you actually do have a car and not just wasting their time. Here's, like I said, here's some of the businesses they work with, medical samples specifically, but they do, a lot of these companies do a lot of airport transport. So say your bag is missed on a flight and then you need to come pick it up. So they have couriers to come pick it up and drop it off to you. I've had that happen before when I had a bag left behind out of the country. So that's Simpex. Next, we have Couriers Atlanta. Next, we got Couriers Atlanta. This company is based out of Atlanta, but they do have routes going all over the Southeast and throughout the country as well. You're just going to come to Couriers Atlanta. The reason I did Couriers Atlanta, it kind of popped up on my radar because here in Atlanta. So if you're in Georgia or in the Southeast, this is definitely a great company to look out for. As you see, they have home-based locations and they have route from Atlanta going to Charlotte, Nashville, Savannah. Let's see what we can see about some more routes. Or even one down to Jacksonville. So if you're going to Jacksonville, going to Nashville, more than likely have routes coming back this way. So if you're doing expediting, you get stuck in the city, especially in the South, you need to get out, try these medical courier runs and get you going one way and get you going out that area. And let's see about any other locations they may have, Atlanta area. So basically it'll be home based out of a lot of Georgia cities. But like I said, they go to a lot of cities throughout the country. So it's great. But if you are an Atlanta-based medical courier, this is a great website to go ahead and sign up for. As you see, they got work all over the cities, all over the states. Dropoff. I did a separate video about them, but I didn't really go on the aspect of the medical courier that they looking for and the medical courier that they hiring right now. Just give you some more background information about what a medical courier is. If you don't know right now, I did a separate video, kind of going into details about medical courier. I was doing this heavy towards the end of 2021, going into 2022. A lot of COVID samples will need to be picked up. So it was a lot of work being needed, a lot of hours. being worked. Well, not a lot of hours. I only worked maybe 3 to 4 hours a night, but it was, 5 days a week. A lot of miles going back and forth, and then gas started to creep up. So I kind of slacked off on doing it because they wasn't really giving a gas surcharge. So I found some other companies that were paying a little bit more, but I am definitely thinking about going back with that company. I am going to show that company next, who I worked for. But Dropoff is a great company. They get hired through and start doing medical courier work. You can make anywhere to 30 to 45,000 a year. Like I said, you get to use your own car, be your own boss. You do need to be HIPAA certified with a lot of these companies. Some ask you to be COVID vaccinated as well. So just be mindful of that. And then come, try to drop off and just go up here and become a courier and apply. You're gonna have to do like a little assessment test, real quick, 15-minute assessment test. And it's basically, common sense questions, nothing hard, nothing you need to study for. And like I said, flexible hours, drive your own vehicle, drive packages, and pay by delivery. Don't wait 2 weeks to get paid. Get paid, a couple of days after you finish the delivery. And then just hear how it looks on the app. You got your clinic, you got your pickup time, your delivery time, whatever you're doing. Very simple with these apps these days. Next, Lab Logistics. Now, this is the medical courier company I was working for out of Atlanta, but they, service all 50 states. It's great pay. They pay you by the route. So my route paid about $500 a week. I drove about 500 miles a week. So this kind of came with about $1 a mile. Some nights I didn't drive as much. Certain nights of the week, you may have more pickups than others. And then, sometimes I kind of got a hold of the text and called and said, hey, do you guys have anything today? And they let me know before I even went out there and wasted my time and gas driving to see if they got any samples. But Lab Logistics is a great company, pays pretty well up until the gas started to spike and they couldn't really pivot as fast as I needed to. But it's come up to the top, drive for us, fill out the application with days, what type of vehicle you drive. Like I said, the smaller the vehicle, the better. You're not really, some routes are bigger than others, but most of the time you fitting things in one standard size cooler. So I just got a cooler with wheels on it. I loaded all the samples in there, loaded the stuff that was frozen into a separate container for the frozen stuff. It's very simple doing these medical courier runs. And like I said, they paid out every week through direct deposit. Like I said, I did have to get HIPAA certified with this company. That was a $20 certification that I had to pay before I started. Background check, no drug tests, anything like that. Real simple to get started. So that's Lab Logistics. Next, we got medical couriers. So this company is a national-based company. They kind of, let's say, they kind of outsourced, or they're more of a kind of a lead generator for other medical courier companies. So if they need drivers, or another medical courier company in your area that's kind of a smaller company needs drivers, medical couriers kind of outsources those drivers to them. So you sign up here. Like I said, I already submitted my information, city and state, and then they kind of match you up with a medical courier company in your area, which is great. So definitely check them out. Medical couriers, definitely link down in the description down below for you guys. All right, I know this video is getting long, but we're going to finish up strong here. All right, let's go ahead and move this on down to the bottom. It's in the way, guys. All right. Associated Couriers. This is the next company. I've done a separate video on them, but didn't really go into detail about the medical courier aspect with them. As you see, they work out of the Southeast area, 250 miles of Atlanta, because they can go all the way to Mississippi. up to Tennessee, North Carolina areas. We do hazmat, medical logistics, life services, medical deliveries, trials, equipment, whatever you need in the medical industry, they deliver to you guys. Like I said, if you're looking to be a contractor with these companies, once you go to the website, go down towards the bottom and click on contractor opportunities or apply now. What they're looking for: cars, pickup trucks, minivans, sprinter vans, box trucks, associated couriers, looking for all types of vehicles. The bigger the vehicle, of course, the more you're going to get paid. And some information they want in order to get hired. You submit that in, they give you a call back with the interview and see what type of work you're looking for, what hours you can work, and they go from there. That's Associated Couriers. Capital Courier Service is the one. So they're Capital Courier. They're going to be based out of the nation's capital, but they do have offices all over the country. This is primarily the Atlanta office, but like I said, you can always get information about offices in your area to get started. Once you hit apply, it goes to this other website here where you put your name, phone number, what type of phone you have, what city you're closest to. So most of these cities are in the Southeast, all the way up to North Carolina, Tennessee, down to Florida as well. Driver license. So they're pretty much going to do their background check and everything through this. Once you pass your background check, and then they'll give you a call back if they like what they see, what type of hours you're working. The more hours you're available to work, the faster you're going to get a call back and more opportunities you're going to have. Look, they want references and everything. Look, I've never really had that issue with these companies. This is probably just a standard application they put down. Just put, jobs you worked in the past. If you do have driver positions like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, put those down versus, warehouse jobs or customer service jobs, but make yourself look good on paper. All right. So far, we've been through 8. We've got the last two companies. Priority, we're the last mile delivery experts. Priority is number 9 on the list of medical courier companies. This company is in the North Midwest area, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Tennessee, Kentucky, all the way to Iowa. In this Midwest region, you can do on-demand, out-of-town work, local, e-commerce, pharmaceuticals, healthcare. Join the team. So like I say, you come on down to the bottom, hit careers, or they got one at the top, careers. Let's see if we can see any information about pay, how much they're paying, or how old need to be here, current positions, cargo van in Illinois, airport luggage in Hebron. Here's mostly medical couriers in Michigan, medical couriers in Ohio. So like I said, they do, a lot of these companies, they don't stick to one particular type of thing they deliver, but they do specialize in medical courier driving. So try PriorityDispatch.com. Link down to this company down below. And last but not least on this journey, Dissident Delivery Systems. Last but not least, this great company is throughout the entire U.S. So it's a national company looking for drivers, delivery services, last mile. You're also hiring warehouse workers and also truck drivers. Like I said, all the things they're working for, all the things they can help out with larger businesses, nationwide network, and now hiring. So it looks like you can do freight as well as driving your own vehicle. Like I said, reliable vehicle required. And they're going to do a 3-year MVR, popular vehicles, fuel efficient vehicles. So of course, a truck is not a fuel efficient. So that means cars, pickup trucks with open beds, cargo vans, box trucks, of course, and then of course the bigger size vehicles. But we're here for the smaller vehicles for you to deliver in your own car. So what you do, you can hit the driver hotline here or leave a message and with the name, state, city, and what type of car you got. And they will get back with you pretty promptly about driving for them. Or you can apply online right here through this website. And they also have a physical location that's in Houston, Texas. So like this company may be based out of Houston. All right, guys. So that is it. That is the top 10 medical courier positions, companies out there for you guys to partner with, not work for, but partner with, because you are 1099 contractors with them. I mean, you have to pay your own fuel, pay your own taxes, decide when you want to get up and go to work. So if you don't move your feet, you don't eat. So remember, be your own boss and tap in with me. Hit that subscribe button if you like the content. Hit the like button. Share this with your larger audience. If you're still here, I want to invite you out to my Facebook group that I have. I'm going to leave a link down to the description to my Facebook group where I teach you guys how to build business credit to actually get your own Sprinter van. And follow my Credit K YouTube channel and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at Credit K, K-A-E. Later, we are.